Hi, boys and girls. Happy Friday. We are still in Unit R, Week 4, and today is Day 5. I want to do a quick review. We have talked about realism and fantasy. When I read to you the story, The Big Top, this week, we learned that it was realistic fiction. Realistic fiction tells about events that could happen in the lives of real people and animals. And in this story could actually happen in real life. Two girls could get together and actually play in the yard with their doll and their big top, and their cat could come along and bother them. So this story, The Big Top, was realistic fiction. It was made up of events that could really happen in real life. This story that I read to you a couple of weeks ago was The Rainbow Fish and the Big Blue Whale by Marcus Pfister. This was fantasy. This story could not happen in real life. Fantasy. It was about a big blue whale and the rainbow fish, and they didn't get along. Animals can't talk. So this was fantasy, made up, make-believe. These are fun to read, though. Today I'm going to read you a different genre, and the name of this genre is procedural text. And it's in your it's right after your main selection, so it's in your Unit R reader. And you can find that on Pearson. You can find this on Pearson. Solve Realize. Genre, procedural text. Some selections use words along with signs and symbols. A sign tells you what to do. A symbol is a picture that stands for something else. This is a short story, but it's very good. It's informational text, and it's called Around the Block. There are many signs and symbols in our neighborhood. Signs and symbols help us drive. Signs and symbols help us ride. Signs and symbols help keep us safe. And here are some signs. This is a stop sign. It tells the driver to stop. This is a railroad crossing sign. This is a construction worker sign. This is a bus stop sign. This is a pedestrian crossing sign. This is a no turning sign. You do not turn right. These signs help keep the driver safe and to help the driver make good decisions while driving. So you've learned another type of genre today called procedural text. So we've been talking about different types of genre: realistic fiction, fantasy, and then I read you this story called procedural text. I hope you do well on your test today. We're still in Unit R, Week 4, and this concludes our lesson for today, Day 5. Have a great weekend. Goodbye.